Good morning, guys. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a finger painting of a landscape. And I've got a cloth on hand to keep my hands clean, to wipe them every once in a while if necessary, and I do like to keep my hands wet. Also using acrylic paint drying retarder gel is a good idea because it will keep your hands slippery while you work, and that's helpful. I'm working on mixed media paper, which I did tape down with blue tape blue painter's tape, because it doesn't stick. I mean, it doesn't, really stick badly to the paper, when you go to take it off in the back. You want to get some. I've got light blue here and brilliant blue. Just kind of want to bring in some different colors with it, and I go pretty fast, so I'm just kind of slowing down here so you can see. What I'll do is clean my fingers off a little bit. Get a little bit more of this blue. And I'm going to kind of bring some of that in, kind of mix it up a little bit. Fingers are just great. They really are very good at making very smooth, and I'm sorry about that. The paper doesn't always stick so well in my workspace. I just put a piece of tape down until it's frustrating. Okay. One problem is my workspace is got paint all over it, and that's all right. That's a little bit better there. Okay. Now I'm going to get a little bit of white. And I've got some white off the side. I'm going to put it on my workspace, kind of relax a little bit. And kind of paint in like a little snowy area, maybe, if you will. If you wipe your fingers, every time you go into your paint, it will come in more white. I'm doing wet on wet painting here, so yeah, it can, kind of mix with the blue color, but I do definitely enjoy painting wet on wet. I think it's better for me, and I do recommend trying both. Doing when on wet and then waiting for it to dry also, because you might find it kind of frustrating. So what I want to do was kind of create a little snowy area. And then here, you know, there'll be like a water reflection kind of thing going on. It's a very milky kind of thing. Very, very pretty. You can put in a tree. You know, you keep your fingers wet, a little bit moister, or use that retarder gel to kind of keep them moist. I mean, there's a lot of ways to do a tree, really, and this is another way is to do foliage for your tree like this. You can take a little bit of paint on the more on the nail of your hand. You know, every time you go into your paint, if you wipe your hand, sometimes you get more definition in your tree with the nails of your fingers. Put in foliage. A little bit of white in there too is nice. Oh, you know, I gotta have a moon. I don't know if you guys know too much about me, but really I enjoy doing night scenes, night landscapes, and water reflections and things like that. That's what I enjoy. And it's painting a moon here, and moons, you know, can be a little bit problematic. Because sometimes they're hard to make round. But I try not to get too anal about it, you know, really. And, you know, I'll just put in, like, you know, a moon like that and just not worry about it so much, you know, and then do a little reflection there with the moon. Work on the tree reflection a little bit. And we'll make this a little bit looser. Kind of make you know, kind of make it some of those leaves just sort of be hanging out, like in the air. And then maybe more white here. Maybe on the outside edge to where the moon is, you know. With a little extra white. I'm thinking maybe I'd like to have them a little bit bigger. A little bit brighter. It's a little bit tough, you know. What I do sometimes is, you know, to make it easier is I'll just turn it, you know, so that I can, I don't know if you can still see this. I can just get that to be more round, you know. But, you know, again, like, I don't, like, want to just really kind of be all freaked out about it, you know? I mean, there's no reason to get all upset, you know, about it. I mean, I might, like, play with it, but really, I'm not going to get too wrapped up in it, I don't think. And then I'll put a little reflection down here. And then one thing I like to do for sure on my pieces is use a toothbrush like this, dry it off. I keep it in water. I'll dry it off really good, dip it in some paint, kind of relax it on the brush like this. So it's not real heavy on it like that. And then just flick it like that. So that's ours. It's fun, you know, it's a fun little thing to do, I tell you. Yeah, so let's get some close-ups. Yeah, it turned out really nice. The stars, they just really make it for a piece, you know. Again, my name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist sculptor, and here on my channel I teach how to paint, sculpt, and make jewelry, and I have over 600 tutorials. And if you decide to try this, I would love it if you did. Please send me a photo of your work. My contact information will be in the video description down below the video. And please subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you get a notification when I upload. And yeah. And please give a video a like, share it with friends, leave me a comment, tell me where you're watching from. I'm always curious about that. And if you found the video useful. And consider supporting me on Patreon. That would really help a lot, and you'll be the first to see my tutorials. Yeah, and check out my Etsy shop. I have a 5-star rating with over 1,000 sales and over 200 reviews. So, yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And have a great night. Bye-bye.